Spring Beast Festival 2023. Yeah! Stopping distance 1 million. I'm out on the truck today for some reason. Don't know why. Don't know why I took the truck. Just going for a short ride to the Spring Beat Festival. Spring Beat, Spring Beast, we will never know. Is it Spring Beat or Spring Beast?
Spring Beast.
Beast! Beast mode. Good looking trails over there, man. Focus. Focus, man. Oh boy. Got the guard. Letting us through. Letting us through, man. Thought the sign would have said, no trucks allowed. Oh, this is going to be a tight fit. Someone parked their car there. Truck life. They got music and food trucks and paint. Look at that, man. Look at that. Got the loudest speaker in the world. Big boys have the big bows.
Big speaker.
Big speakers, man. Day one. So we'll be back in a few days to check out what's been going on. Charming. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, man. Ten out of 10. I gave you. Here, boy. I got stuck on the pedal and I tested the phase amp limit of this one. Damn, man. Damn. That was some clumsy turn.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah, man. There's so much space.
Yeah, I know. My whole approach was wrong.
It's a new phase in your life.
Yeah. Jeez. Choices, man. I brought a truck here. I was thinking, should I bring the EXN or the EX30? But the EXN, man, if the fan would start going off, I'd lose my shit. It's like, wah. But this one, slow speed, man. Slow speed. Dear Lord. There's no saving us, man. There's no saving us. Bowing balls. Churros. These churros are good. They got Brazilian churros, man. Had some of those last year. They were good. I should have bought the M10-4. Now that I think of it. Blasting. They beat your speakers.
I think mine is louder.
Yeah, yours is louder. Yeah, boy. Slow speed shenanigans. Yo. Slow speed shenanigans, man. Oh, those kids almost died, man. Those kids almost died. That would have been terrible. Yeah, boy.
Shall we go over to Tobias' place?
Yeah, let's go to Tobias' place then. Cool. If we go that way, we know how that ends. We're gonna have to climb. Yeah, let's zippity around. Awesome.
No, another way.
Cool. Oh yeah. Oh really? Oh really, man?
Shortcut.
Fucking hate planks. I hate planks, man. Planks are bad. You can fall off to the left, you can fall off to the right. It's terrible. Look, water, man. Water and shit to the sides. Yeah, the twisted. Lucky this ain't the Nikola. I'd be heading off all up over there. Yeah, boy. Living life out with this baby carriage and a beer. Living life. Okay, lag using my body on the wheel. Lag. Mr. Car. Look at him go. Look at them kids go, man. Yeah, you know it. Carlo, look at Ronnie go, man. Look at him go, man. Thank you. Yeah, boy. Yeah.
Always miss that street.
Yeah. It's okay, we got to practice a low speed turn, man. I need to practice on those. Truck is coming. Ain't slowing down, man. Ain't slowing down. It's got to deliver those avocados. The truck is delivering those ecological avocados all the way from Peru. Don't stand in his way. Alright, so Tobias needed some plasti dip for his V13. He had to take it apart and install some spacers on it because the motor was wobbling side to side. That's a lot of fun to do on a V13. My Nikola does it, but you know, life. But on a new V13, you don't want that, and not at those speeds either. So I put some spacers on, had to take the motor apart, blah blah blah, to get the motor back together and make sure, you know, that crap doesn't go flying in there. Want some plastic dip. Some people will use plastic dip, some people will use silicone. That looked like a trail.
Yeah, a small path.
Small path, you say? Let's see. Or will we end up in someone's...
There's a new Zelda game right now. And he has an ability where he can reverse objects so they move backwards.
Oh,
like that.
really? Damn. That sounds like one of the stands in JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. can reverse shit now. Oh yeah, we should run out of path quickly here.
Very, very small path.
Yeah, that's a very narrow path.
And then you have some shit there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Okay. Well, it was worth checking.
Yeah.
We'll take the next one for sure.
Here we go. There's something.
Oh man.
Quickly turn to shit.
Quickly turn to shit and mud.
Oh man, it's
Oh
gonna be
boy.
muddy.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh,
Oh yeah. The raining. The raining and the storms.
really?
We've gotten this far.
It's gonna be nothing in there.
We've gotten this far. We must keep going. Oh no, this is gonna turn into like when you and me went walking for 45 minutes once.
Oh yeah, for sure. It's not a good start.
Oh man. Oh man. My feet are sinking, man.
Riding on pool.
Riding on poop, man. Look at this poop festival. There is no spring beast festival. It's a poop festival, I tell you. Yeah, we gotta watch out for trails today, man. It was raining like hell for the past 2 days. The first thing we said in the chat today, yeah, we gotta watch out with the trails. They're gonna be muddy and wet. So, oh, look, a trail.
Muddy.
Muddy, muddy. Muddy, muddy.
Maybe.
Maybe, maybe. Whoa. Bada boing.
I got stumped.
Yeah, I got stumped alright. Pointy rock. Oh no, I got logged. Oh, is there a huge branch over there? Oh jeez, man.
Are we going further?
Yeah, let's go further, man. This is what my truck thinks about this.
Yeah.
Gonna chop it. Chop it in half.
Amazing torque.
Yeah. Well, Mr. Slippy. Lol. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh boy. I hate this.
It's a lot of mud. Victor doesn't care much about mud.
Yeah.
How about the time your wheel got full of mud?
This mud is different.
This mud is different. That's what they all say. I'm different from other mud. You'll be safe with me. Yeah, so we ended up turning back. Look at that, man. Got to work on my agility on this truck, though. Ain't easy. I got leaves all over the place. Oh no, giant rock. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, we went around the obstacle. Oh, charming. Charming. Alright, Victor's doing wizard stuff. Huh, wait. 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 Man. Oh, that's that part. And that's this part. Okay. Okay then. Let's get some torque in.
The other way. I can show you. Because this way we are gonna be all the time trying to go to this. But the other way, it's mostly you're going down on the slow side. This is gonna be constantly uphill super hard. But yeah, this is the way.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah.
Yeah, and you're going there. We are going.
Are we going there?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's rideable.
It's rideable, he says.
I've been there.
I wasn't behind you.
Yeah, we're back on this. Oh, geez, it's been raining. Oh, it's muddy. Oh, trails. Oh, mud.
I'm happy I wasn't behind you there.
Yeah. Muddy, muddy. More muddy. Very much muddy. Oh, man. Okay, enough is enough, man. Enough is enough, I tell you. Oh, oh, slippy do. Whoa. Something stuck in the wheel.
I think it was a pine cone.
Pine cone. Conyo.
No.
Something with your motor?
Yeah.
Fucking hell, man. Ah, there was shit at the top, maybe. Zippy do.
Is it mud or what?
Some weird sound, but we'll see if it's gone.
Better? Yeah. I think there was some shit under the fender.
Yeah, it was kind of like the motor grunting.
Yeah.
Could be a side effect from something causing resistance
Yeah.
and the motor grunting. Yeah, seems okay.
All right.
try to ride here.
Car. You will not
Yeah.
do that.
Stump. Almost got stumped, man.
It was way easier on us.
Well, you sure found a good spot here.
Yeah, don't stop there, man.
Woo!
Stop there. Oh, yeah. Not with the S22. Are you gonna try it? Yeah. This is a jumpy jump
It's a jumpy jump.
because it's slippery.
Yeah, that's the thing. It's slippery. I got poop all over my tire. I don't know, man. I don't know.
There's mud, there's wet
Yeah,
roots.
yeah. Oh, nice. And we got a nice tight fit over here. Sherman Max Life. You gonna do it?
That one can probably just ride it.
Yeah. We just managed to avoid all the stumps.
Yeah!
Yeah, buddy. Nice. Oh, yeah. It must be done, man. Sorry about my teeth.
Record your crash, man.
Yep, I gotta record my crash. Oh, jeez.
Not even a struggle.
Yeah, I went there.
Oh, man. You went there. You tell me this now? You had extra gloves this whole time? My hands are freezing, man. Oh, jeez. That looks messy. Yeah, that was the messy part.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, no.
Oh, wow.
Oh, no. I don't like going down this kind of stuff, man.
It's crazy, the zigzag of the rocks. down
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
I mean, the first part is okay.
Yeah. Find it kind of funny. Find it kind of sad. Exactly. The dreams in which I'm walking are the best I ever had. This, man.
Yeah.
This is the part I want, right here. Oh. I'm doing a simulator.
It was one of the best ways on the market.
I know.
And then throwing it.
And walking it. I walk it everywhere I go. I'm a disgrace, man. I'm a disgrace. Yeah. So Ronnie asked me if I'm gonna go up the hill over there. That I've gone up on the 16X. I've gone grinding up on the MSX, right? And today is the day that Jesus ascended to the heavens, and so must we. Amen. Whenever you are ready, my friend.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, you got logged. You got logged. Careful, man. Careful. Ska vi se. Det såg väldigt brant ut på den där toppdelen där. Jag kände att jag tappade lust. Den där delen där uppe också. Den är värst. Men det går. Den är brant. Sweet baby Jesus. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Someone put a ramp there. Someone put a ramp there, man.
Oh, nej.
Oh nay.
Oh,
There
nej.
you go. There you go, man. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, the ramp is rotten and soft.
All right. Yeah.
It looks
Yeah.
stable though.
Find it kind of funny. Find it kind of sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I ever had. Leaning, leaning, leaning. You can just lean in there. Yeah, boy. You can just lean in. I don't know about this top one though. Even a Nikola 84V got up this top one here. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't trust the water. I don't trust that wet grass. This is as close to heaven as I will be getting today. Victor's like, do it! Do it! Can't do it. Deliver us to the promised land. All right, we got some snacks now at Lidl. It was amazing. We're gonna find our way over to the water and chill. We're gonna chill and kill. So they have expanded the water over here. This part used to just be a field. Now let's see how many people are barbecuing over here. I guess they heard me now. Thank you. Why have to be so mad? You don't like my music? Middle is my favorite spot to be. Yeah. Of course, of course. We'll find the next spot. There's more spots where that spot came from. Hey, what's that music come from the other side over there?
It's not me.
It's a wall of fame. Yeah, it's not you. It's not your bows, man. It's a wall of fame all up in here on the other side. Victor's like, warning for swag? I said, no. We're safe. We'll be good. Warning for svag is. Warning for weak ice. Right. This is the lake when you went sliding out.
That's right. It's really good.
No,
Sausage?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try your sausage.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh nice. Common.
Cameron.
Common. Sausage is so good, man. Common. So, cashews and peanuts, chili, but the special thing is ayran, Turkish style. I thought it would be from Iran, since it's Iran. So this ayran here, you're gonna come over here and do a reaction. Let's see, have you tried this?
No,
You should have, considering your girlfriend.
she doesn't drink that.
Really? Try
Why
it
would she?
before you put that wiener in your mouth.
Yeah.
With salt.
Try it, man. Try it. It's a yogurt. It's like a salty yogurt.
Yeah, I know the taste of it.
You do, huh?
Yeah.
And I ran. Yeah, it was pretty good. You want to try?
No, I'm
No.
good. I'm
So,
It has a weird aftertaste.
yeah.
Could be your sausages.
Could be, yeah, that's true.
Roasted cashew and peanut chili. Nom 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 nom. If your mouth starts burning, you got some yogurt drink with salt in it.
Mm.
They're not too spicy. They're nicely spicy. Yeah.
It doesn't kill the joy of eating.
Exactly, man. Not like a lamb vindaloo, you know, the strongest
What
Indian.
did you think? coconuts.
You ask me?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're good. Tasty.
Just another Thursday. Riding wheels and trying each other's nuts.
And sausages.
And sausages, man. Yeah. And a salty, watery, creamy drink. God damn, man.
Salty yogurt sounds suspicious.
Yeah, it does sound suspicious.
Might be banned on YouTube.
Yeah, definitely.
That's why I was like surprised when you said you should know the taste of it.
Can't the guy be a little curious?
Exactly. The guy be a little fluid.